In the statement he released, he said he was, and this statement followed another interaction with the military. He said that it's no problem. Believe. So my question would be,
as a way of remediation and support from Rivers people, we have Similaye Fubara as the executive governor of this state. Yeah. The lack of smooth transition and continuity is taking diminutive toll of the state. Hence, numerous projects have been abandoned. If the current governor decides to rejuvenate moribund projects, he becomes an enemy to a malignant emperor who wants the state as his estate, and that is totally unacceptable by the good people of Rivers State. This is a fight for justice, and it goes beyond ethnic coloration. We are therefore calling on all the elders who had proclaimed support for Wike. We are confused if Wike is still the governor of the state. Instead of dispensation of justice, to tread with caution before the youths will engulf them like hurricane or tsunami. Wike should let our governor see him breathe. Wike should let our governor see him breathe and exercise his political and administrative dexterity and ingenuity without further interference from the former governor. That the continued meddling of affairs in governance by the former Rivers State Governor, Chief Barrister Ezempuwon Wike, had further exacerbated Opurumbio.